Okay, Jack, I'm going to try to provide you the video that you wanted to show you that these chips on these circuits that I ordered from you, quite a lot of them were defective. What I have here, this is the perfect pass board that your company produced for me. This is a servo that is plugged into it. This is my receiver. I have power coming in on the red and black cable, and of course that's going out to the perfect pass, and I have my transmitter here. And what I'm going to show you is this first video is how it's supposed to work. You'll see that I'm going to press the trigger on the transmitter, and you'll see that the servo arm moves slowly from the center position all the way up. When I release the trigger, it moves back at full speed. So it moves slowly in the advanced position, and then it moves backwards, and then of course it moves in the reverse position. That's how it's supposed to work, and the speed of the movement of that servo arm is adjustable using the little blue pot on the board. Okay, now I'm going to pause the video and change it to one of the ones that has a defective chip, and I'll show you the difference.